So this squeeze pivot, you can clearly see right here, is trying to hold and trying to jam up here and knock out these guys that thought they had a winner. And again, don't be surprised when we get, doubles, and then even if we get the higher high, they still have to, first of all, take out this high, and secondly, then you have to hang on to it. And this is normal to have a consolidation after a big plunge like this. And now what the longs need to do, obviously, is to hold on to gains. Because unless they hold on to them, then it's going to be harder to squeeze overnight. So anybody that got above this 43.75, we said this should be, the push right here. And this was the gravy once we got above that, trying to get to the 46, 48. And then I said, if this holds, and no one knows where it's going to hold, I said, but if this holds, then I believe this is to take out this high and challenge that 51 to 53.5 high. So far, we've got very close to it. Does it have enough power to get there and hold on to it? Who knows? But the goal of the boys right now is to try to take those stops out. They don't want traders getting position. They don't want these guys averaging in. Guess what? I think the big boy is going to, use this next zone, to come right back in and get a good solid trade. Because these are reactions again. These are only 40% bounces. So you need to hit the trade, but don't be surprised if it takes you 2 or 3 tries to get a solid trade. And already, Smorgon had a great trade, so now you want to be conservative. You don't want to just, throw away everything you made early, trying to be a hero now. And sometimes you're better off letting the trade get a little bit started. You might miss the exact top. Who cares? When this trade is running and killing traders, who cares? All you care about is getting a slice of that. And then, all right, gap down here. Let's go. Let's not think about home run day. Let's think about a bounce. And then when it gets juiced, then you want to start becoming a little defensive up here and saying, okay, I'm not going to chase it here because this was the best buy down here, this zone, right where we said it should be. So the aggressive end of things is yesterday's fighting area, which obviously is a 52 to 54. And if you take that trade, don't give yourself the right to take 2 or 3 trades up there. Then don't short 56 and 58 if it gets there. Have the discipline. Say, okay, I'm going to, wait, and then I'll hit it if it gets to a higher high. Or if you take this trade and get beat, just say, fine, I took it and it didn't work, but I'm not giving back all my capital. I'm going to keep some of what I've already made in my pocket. Yesterday, this was pretty stiff, but sometimes you start to build a false top. And it is after 2 o'clock. We've had no contra, so we could get a contra now for a little bit. This was lunchtime with no contra. And I say still, this is going to be key. If this breaks, then anything down here is available. And longs have had a great day. Great pushback. They pushed right back into the resistance zone. Theoretically, this is a demon, but the high has been taken out. Money stops obviously are being used here. But technically just trying to share what we've got. We'll keep it there at that region for now.